Namaste to all. Advanced KP Stellar Astrology online Zoom class will be conducted on 29/2023. That means September this month, September 2023. We are starting. Every year, 3 batches we are going to start. The basic qualification is the student should have some knowledge in KP astrology. Fees is 7,500. For this, 45 pre-recorded videos, 30 minutes each approximately, with study material immediately we will send. Once the payment received, immediately we will send. And a weekly Zoom class, weekly 3 days Zoom class, 15 live Zoom class, direct Zoom class we are conducting. Once the payment is received, within 24 hours, 45 pre-recording videos with study material to be sent immediately. Doubt clarification class, 45 minutes, 15 classes through Zoom meeting. Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, evening 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. IST. Doubt clarify classes also recorded. That means the Zoom classes also recorded and sent to YouTube, will be sent to all students through the YouTube private link. Student doubts will be clear the following ways. Number 1, 45 minutes Zoom meeting. Number 2, students are welcome to ask their doubts in their WhatsApp group also. Number 3, these doubts will be, that means through the WhatsApp group, doubts will be clear in upcoming Zoom meeting. Small doubts will be cleared by senior student also in this WhatsApp group. Therefore, small doubts they will be clear. The Google Pay, the payment for Google Pay is 9445721793. Phone Pay is 9382339085. For more details, please contact this phone number 9382339084. Our website is www.astrodevaraj.com and www.kpastrologyclass.com. The 45 pre-recorded video content, the topic, what we are sending the 45 pre-recorded video, the content of the videos are importance of Cuspal interlinks, importance of Cuspal interlinks concept, principle and golden rules in Cuspal interlinks theory, inner and outer bhavas, importance of potential for all bhava, importance of Dasha Buddhi, application of Cuspal interlinks theory, and birth time rectification and ruling planet explanation, finance and money astrology, job and profession astrology, marriage astrology, education astrology, medical astrology, child birth astrology, property astrology, timing of events related astrology, share market astrology, foreign travel astrology, business astrology, various horoscope, student horoscope or other horoscope, your analyzation, and a transit analysis in horoscope, horary and prasanna prediction technique. Those who are coming to our online class training, please watch our YouTube public channel also. For more details, please contact 9382339084. Thank you very much. Thank you.